This demonstration is about the detection of follicle structures from digitized histology images of follicular lymphoma slides stained with immunohistochemistry. Follicular lymphoma is the second most common type of non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and in particular, follicular lymphoma is defined as the lymphoma of follicle center B cells. According to the World Health Organization's recommendation, the histological grade of follicular lymphoma is based on the average number of centroblasts in 10 different and representative neoplastic follicles in a high power field. Based on the average number of centroblasts, follicular lymphoma is stratified in 3 histological grades, with grade 1 having 0 to 5 centroblasts in a high power field, and grade 2 6 to 15 centroblasts in a high power field, and finally grade 3 with more than 15 centroblasts in a high power field. Unfortunately, manual counting of centroblasts suffer from inter and intra variations and sampling bias. Also, selecting the representative follicles is subject to sampling bias. We are developing a computer-assisted grading system for the follicular lymphoma. The detection of follicles from the IHC stain and digitized follicular lymphoma tissue slides is one of the steps of a computerized system. This user interface allows selecting the ROI images captured at different magnifications. The magnifications level can be changed to 2x, 4x, and 8x. And there's a list of images from which we can choose. I'm going to use the CD20 image for this demonstration. Usually, the cellular level analysis is done at the highest possible magnification of 40x. However, the follicles are large structures that are best captured at these magnifications. We can later select the ROI to perform the follicular detection. These parameters are set to their respective values, and we can perform the segmentation of the follicles now by clicking on the segmentation button. It will run the algorithm and plot the computerized results on top of the original image. The computerized results can later be manipulated by manual inputs, such as removing of some of the undesirable or misdetected follicles or adding the missing follicles. To remove a follicle, we can just click on the remove button and click on the follicle that we want to remove. Once we are done, we can click the mouse middle button to save the changes. I'm saving the changes. In order to add a new follicle, we click on the add button and we save the changes, and now we go ahead and marking the boundary of the new follicle by clicking the left mouse button. And the follicles are marked, and I've already saved the changes. Now we can perform the segmentation on another image and detect the follicles in this region too. If you want to check whether the follicles that we marked earlier are saved, we can click on the view button and select the image, and we can see that the follicle that I marked in the last image is shown here. More details about the proposed approach can be found in our related publications on our web pages. Thank you.